I can be a catfish. Hey everyone, it's Jenny. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's a little weird seeing me today. It's not a Sunday, so why are you here, Jenny? Why are you here? Well, I wanted to do a mid-week video for you. So I saw these hacks on TikTok and I really wanted to try it. So if you use a setting spray and a setting powder before your makeup, apparently it's supposed to look like bomb AF. So we're gonna go ahead and try that. And also another hairstyle. Let's go. I have my mirror. Oh, she's glowing. She's glowing. Start off by putting some moisturizer on your face, okay? So how's everybody's life going? Hope everyone's doing well. Okay, now that you got your moisturizer on, this is where it gets interesting. You're gonna go ahead and put the setting powder. I'm just using Laura Mercier's translucent powder. We're gonna go ahead and put this on right after the moisturizer. Take my brush, tap some translucent powder up in here. You don't need too much from what it said. You're just gonna put it all over your face. Apparently with this hack, after you put on your makeup, it shouldn't be creasing. So we'll see how it turns out. Setting spray, translucent powder, done. Now, you're gonna take your setting spray. I'm just using Urban Decay's All Nighter. Can you see that? There you go, boom. And spraying that all over your face. Alright, just make sure it's dried off. While we're letting that dry off, I'm gonna go ahead and check my phone. Someone text me because I'm popular. So now that your face is dry from the setting spray, you're gonna go ahead and get some face primer. I'm using the Professionals primer. If you guys didn't see my last Get Ready With Me, but I'm using the same thing. I don't have any different routines other than the hack. Now you just do everything as normal. Just put it on your face. Apparently it's supposed to look really good. Let's try it. I'm just gonna put it all over my face. Sorry guys, I'm a little blind, as you can tell. I need to get kind of close to see what I'm doing. Honestly, right now, I can barely see the camera, but you know, I'm blind and I hope that we're in focus. I'd be really sad if we're not in focus. Okay, it's going on pretty well. Oh, by the way, I am using Fenty Beauty's foundation in the color 200. It oxidizes a lot afterwards, so it may look a little light on me, but it does look better later. Also, it dries fast, so move quickly, move quickly. So that is the first layer. I don't know if you can tell. Doesn't look okay. It is really smooth. Normally, I'm really dry right here during the cold weather. So it's really dry right here, but I don't see the creases right now. Okay, so now we're gonna put on a second coat, okay? And now I'm actually going to use Peach Perfect Comfort Matte Foundation. So I really like the matte look, if you guys couldn't tell. Really love it. I like to mix the Fenty in this one. I don't know why, but I don't know, the color just looks nicer. I mean, I know both of them are my shade, but I guess it's not like perfect shade.
So, yeah.
Did I lose you? I lost myself too. Now I'm just getting ready, just to get ready because I'm not going anywhere. Did I already ask you guys? How are you guys doing? How's everything going, guys? I'm in California, so we are still sheltered in place. Doesn't look like there's any movement this month. It might be next month, we don't know. So now that we're decent looking, next step I'm going to be doing is my eyebrows. A lot of you guys have comments on, you know, like my eyebrows, and I use Anastasia's Dip Brow. This is in the color chocolate. It is a little dark for me, but I bought the wrong one and I just was so lazy to return it, so I'm like,
it is what it is. I'm gonna use this one.
You guys seen me do my eyebrows before, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyebrows and we'll be right back. Break time. Alright, so that's how my eyebrows are looking. Take my concealer and clean it up now. I'm just using Fit Me concealer. Yeah. The brows are on now, looking on fleek. People use that word anymore? We're gonna go and do the eyelids now. Eyeshadow. Yes, eyeshadow. I'm gonna need a mirror because I cannot see this far. Okay, so the primer is on. Now we're gonna move to eyeshadow. I think I'm gonna just do my typical eyeshadow. Funny story. So on one of my live streams that I did, I was doing my sister's makeup for her, And I don't know what happened, but I broke my makeup brush. Everyone saw that was on the live. I'm gonna take some of the light one and we're gonna put it all over. Okay, I really can't see. Can you guys see what I see? A little darker color. Can you guys see that? I'm just gonna put that on our crease. Guys, I do the same thing over and over again for my makeup. I mean, I probably change it up, like I probably change the colors up, but I normally just use the same technique. By the way, let's see at the end of the night if this foundation still stays, but so far, it's not looking so bad. I actually do like it. It came on pretty smooth, the foundation. I don't look too cakey, but we'll find out. We will find out at the end of the night. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of like this brownish, coppery looking color. Okay. Just to add some dimension. Normally you just use one brush to put on my whole eyeshadow. I haven't even picked up another brush yet. I just used the same brush. Oh, I know, so professional. So now I'm finally switching over to another brush, and it's just a blending brush. It's clean. There's no other like colors on there, so that's when you start blending out your eyeshadow so it doesn't have a harsh line. We're going to put on our eyeliner now. I like NYX's liquid eyeliner for my wing liner, but if you guys know of any other like waterproof eyeliner out there, let me know because I definitely do want to try another one. So my camera turned off. I don't know where we're at, but I'm putting on my eyeliner. Yeah, I can put eyeliner on myself, but on other people I can't do it. So eyeliner is now done. We're gonna move to the next step. I'm gonna put some eyeshadow where the waterline is. It's actually been really hot in California lately. Well, where I'm at, it's been pretty hot. It's like 70, 78, 80, and I hate it. I like to put some eyeshadow at the bottom of my lids. You don't have to. We're gonna put some lashes on because your girl has some chinky eyes, if you can't tell. Lashes does a girl some wonders, okay? Just look at this and then watch me when I put on my lashes. It changes everything. Just changes the look. I'm gonna put some glue on there. Let it dry. Do you see the difference? Do you see the difference? Like, your girl can catfish some people. Dude. Can you see the difference with the lashes on now? Like, it's crazy. So, you're gonna put some mascara on now, top and bottom, okay? Boom. Almost done. But how are we looking? More presentable now, right? Yes. Yes, Jenny. You need some of this stuff on your face because sometimes you ain't that cute. I mean, since we're putting on a full face anyways, we're gonna put that underneath the eyes to brighten it. Do some tribal. Now we're gonna put some bronzer in the face because your girl's flat and she needs some dimension. I'm using Milk's bronzer, matte bronzer, in the color Baked. So I don't know why my camera keeps dying on me, but please don't die, okay? I'm almost done. Now we're gonna take some blush and put it all over our face. Just kidding, only our cheeks. How we looking? Real cute, just kidding.
Excuse me, people, I am filming.
The sawing has stopped for now, thank God, so we'll get it in right now. Well, we're not getting it in right now. We're starting the next thing right now. So I saw another hack on how to do this heatless curls hairstyle on TikTok. So I tried it before and it worked really well. Yeah, let's go ahead and just try it, okay? So we're gonna brush out our hair. Ooh, okay, bobby pin. I do not have that much hair. My roots are out like crazy. My hairstylist, I need to see her again. So you guys remember that little towel thing that I used for my face mask? If you guys haven't checked out that video, make sure you check it out. Stay safe out there. Use a fabric mask if you don't have one of those medical masks. You know, it's better than nothing. We're gonna use that same thing and we're gonna put it right on top of her head. This may be a little short for my head, but it worked last time, so we're just gonna continue with it. But if you have anything that's a little longer and your hair is longer, I would suggest doing it. Super cute, isn't it? I promise it's gonna look cute. And then you're going to take a piece of the front, brush it out, and then you're gonna start twirling it around this piece, okay? And then afterwards, you're gonna grab some from the back, like that, and then you're gonna take it and then curl it to the front again. You're gonna keep going like that, okay? So this clip is supposed to hold it in the middle. It's not doing a really good job. All right, so wrapped around again, grab a little bit more here. Ouch. And then twirl it around again and twirl it around. This may be a little bit too short for me. You're almost to the end. Grab the rest of your hair. I could have used a longer one too. Yeah, should have got a longer piece of fabric or something. Now that you look like this, you're gonna take your hair tie. You're gonna tie it like that. We're gonna try again on this side. The girls on TikTok made this look so freaking easy and they looked like pros doing it. I'm over here like, help me. Whoever's song right now needs to stop. It's getting a little bit too much. There we go. There we go. So this one, the side looks all right. This side, we're just gonna leave it. We'll see how it goes. This is what it's supposed to look like, kinda. It should be a little tighter, but it's okay. We're just gonna leave it and see how it works out. If you have longer hair, I would definitely use a longer towel or a longer rag or whatever that you're planning to use. I forgot to mention that my hair does hold curls pretty well. If your hair doesn't hold curls, I would probably put like some water or, you know, in general, so then your hair holds a little bit more when it starts drying. This thaw is not going to stop anytime soon, so hopefully by the time I come back it's going to look really nice. But I'm going to leave it here for a couple hours, probably like 2 hours or so, and then we'll come back and see what it looks like. So now we're back. It's been a couple hours, so let's see what it looks like when we take it out. It's super curly, I can see it. So you don't want to brush it out yet, okay? You just want to take it off first. Alright. Pull that out. Look how curly it is, guys. Oh my god. And it's heatless curls. Like, I tried so many other heatless curls before, and like honestly, this one's probably like the best one for my hair because it's like big waves. It's not tiny little ones, and they look really, really pretty. Shake it up real quick. Alright guys, and that's what it turned out to look like. It's super, super curly. What do you guys think? It's very voluminous. Like, there's definitely a lot of volume. I think it's better for your hair because you're not using any heat and it stays pretty long. I think it's a little bit too curly for me right now, but once it drops, it's going to look even nicer. TikTok, I have to say, at first I was a little bit like hesitant about it, but after I watched a lot of the videos and the hacks, they're pretty cool. I'm a little bit addicted, if I say so myself. Update on the makeup. So it looks like it did get me a little like oily, so I just took a little bit of tissue and I just dabbed it around my face a little bit just to take out the excess oil. If you guys don't have my TikTok, make sure to check the link down below in the description bar. I'll leave it down there for you. I hope that you guys enjoy this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!